Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are uh, in my lecture we are completing my DS lecture in data structure in Java, and in last lecture I completed all the insertion type of example, and today we will start from deletion operation on a singly linked list. Okay, so firstly we will delete node from the beginning. Okay, so for understanding this thing, let's move to the one diagram. Okay. So in the deletion at the beginning, what we will do, we will delete this A node. Okay. So that in a starting, it is pointing to the head of node A, then it pointing to the head of B node. Okay. So after deleting, it will come out from this linked list, and then this B will be pointing to the head. Okay. So let's move. I take some example for understanding this. So in this, we will remove first node. Okay. If you want to delete beginning from singly linked list, then you remove first node from the linked list. Okay. So suppose that here is the one linked list is given 3, 12, 15, 18, and last one is pointing to the null. Then if I remove the first node, then it becomes 12, 15, 18. Okay. Okay. And another example is like that. I have another linked list that consists of 2, 4, 6, 8, 33, 67 null. Then if I delete at the beginning, then it becomes 4, 6, 8, 33, 67 and null. Okay. So in this uh, um, deletion process, what we did here, mm, simply I remove one node from a starting, and that after removing, then next one is pointing to the head. Okay. So by shifting head node to the next node of head, so that it takes big of one time. Okay. And big of one space. To remove the first node of linked list, we store the current head in a firstly we store the current head in a temporary variable, and then we will remove, means that temporary variable uh, right here. And lastly, what we do, that temporary variable equal to null. So that it will help in to remove this reference. Okay, and it will be collected by garbage collector. So in this example, what I did here, again I am explaining. Okay, main some step is here. I am going to explain. Firstly, here this main part is same whatever things we done in a previous example. Okay, this is creation of node, and uh, I added some value with node linked list. Okay, so this is linked list created and with some nodes. Okay, after that I write logic here, delete head. Okay, delete head, in this I pass head. Okay, and this delete head method return type is node, that's why it is collecting in head. Okay, and this is simply after that performing delete head, then it will print list. Okay, that is again I passing head. So in all example I did same thing, how we can print list, same logic is here. Okay, simply we use while loop. If current is not equal to null, then firstly it will print the head data and then head dot next or current dot next. Okay, like this. And this is the main part, how we are going to remove this thing. Okay, so we firstly means removing first node, means we are going to delete. Okay, so here return type is node. Okay, firstly we check the condition here. If head equal to null, then it will simply return null. Okay, means meaning that linked list is empty. And first step is that firstly we store the head in a temporary variable, then I will delete that thing. Okay, by using null variable. Okay, so here I store the head in a temporary variable. Okay, then I take another next element. Okay, head equal to head next. Okay, this head next is pointing to the head. Okay, now then what we do, next step is stem equal to null. Yes, I am I'm going to remove that previous head, okay, in the starting node, okay, and lastly we return head. So simple, nothing is here. Okay, so we do same thing by the help of example, whether we are getting correct output or not. Like, okay, so firstly create class that is deletion node, deletion of node, beginning, beginning of linked list. Okay, select here. Yes, I'm not going to write this thing again and again. So what I do, I take this element from here. You are not getting things properly, then you can start watching my lecture from the first lecture of our linked list. Okay, there I explain all the things. What is the meaning of this thing? How we can create a list? Okay, how we pass the value. Then after that, we'll write delete delete node. Inside this, I will pass it, and after that, I will print linked list. And this, I will pass. So just go above both. Then automatically it will create it. Okay. So for printing linked list, I am copy paste above from previous example. Same logic. No need to write again. So this is the logic of printing of linked list. Then now we are going to write the logic here. Okay. So firstly we write this thing if head equal to null, then simply it will return null. Will return. Then next step is firstly we store the head in a temporary variable because I will delete this thing. And then next element will pointing to the head. So head dot name. And next step is we will delete that previous temporary head. So temp equal to the here return type is node, so it will be head. So logic is completed here and run it. 20, 30, 40, 50. Previously it was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it deleted one node that is beginning of linked list. So we got resultant output is 20, 30, 40. So in this way we can delete the node at the beginning of linked list. So in next lecture we will see how we can delete the node at the end of linked list. Okay. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, then you can write your doubt in a comment section box. Okay. We will see you in next lecture. Bye bye.